I chose the question, what do the selections from Garbology tell you about your own relationship with trash and your 102-ton legacy? From my reading of Garbology, I was able to realize that my trash habits aren't quite as good as I had previously thought them to be. While I do try my best to recycle everything that I can, sometimes I do end up throwing paper, plastic, or aluminum into the trash can rather than the recycling bin. Those objects make up a rather large portion of the waste that I produce, so if I just make sure to recycle them all of the time, that would make a huge difference in terms of my 102-ton legacy. In addition, I've caught myself many times preferring to drink water from a plastic bottle rather than a refillable bottle. I have refillable water bottles, but for whatever reason, I'm just not in the habit of using them. I definitely agree with Humes in that we must do something about our trash problem before it is too late. While it may not be an enormous issue right now, eventually it will be, and we must put an end to it so that our future generations can enjoy the earth just as we currently are.